Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will look at new version of the program, 2021.1. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2020.3. The biggest change happened in search field object. Here is this object. Now you can search the entry site including blog and products. Also, you can create object that will search just in products or just in blog articles. Let's see how the search works. For test this object, you need local server or upload your site to the hosting. I use my local server. Here we can see the page with the results. This is page with results on the regular pages. Here they are. These results are from the blog pages, from these entries. And these results are from product list. From here. Here is the link to add product to the cart. In raw format, now you can add transition effect to the image list background and specify the image timing. Here you can choose the effect and specify timing. Let's see the preview. Let's change some settings. There are also other changes. The user interface of the program has been changed. Also, the start page was redesigned. And now, in the project list, you can see the large icons of the projects. Also, there are 5 new free templates for the Incomedia website X5 Pro. In the next video tutorial, we will talk about useful object and settings that will help you to work with the program.